Hey, new mamas, and welcome to the club. Let's be real, the first 2 years can feel like a beautiful, chaotic whirlwind. So, I'm here with my survival guide to help you navigate it all. First up, the newborn haze. My top tip: sleep when the baby sleeps. I know you've heard it a million times, but it's a lifesaver. The laundry can wait, your rest can't. Also, accept help. If someone offers to bring you a meal or watch the baby for an hour so you can shower, say yes. You don't have to be a superhero. As your little one starts moving, from rolling over to those first wobbly steps, baby-proofing becomes your new full-time job. Outlet covers, cabinet locks, and corner guards are your best friends. Think like a curious toddler. If it looks interesting, they'll try to eat it or climb it. Creating a safe yes space where they can explore freely will save your sanity. Now, let's talk about you. Postpartum recovery is a journey, not a race. Be gentle with yourself and your changing body. It did something amazing, and your mental health is just as important. Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just not like yourself is common. It's called the baby blues, and sometimes it's more serious, like postpartum depression. Talk to your partner, a friend, or a doctor. You are not alone in this. When the toddler-nado hits, with big emotions and the famous word no, remember this: it's a phase. They're not giving you a hard time, they're having a hard time learning to be a tiny human. A simple routine for meals, naps, and bedtime can work wonders. It gives them a sense of security in their rapidly expanding world. My final piece of advice: soak it all in. The cuddles, the funny faces, the milestones. It goes by so fast. You're doing an incredible job even on the days you feel like you're failing. You've got this, mama. If this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Real Talk Mum content. Thanks for watching.